it's definitely a problem that all of us face in the supply chain or in over the road stuff that we don't talk about because it's one of those oddball situations where like this guy misses delivery and or there's overages, there's whatever the case may be, and you don't know what to do with the product. I know me personally, when I was a broker, I was trying to pass that off to whoever I could pass it off to because it was such a nightmare. So Warehouse Now is a cool solution, and why I wanted to bring them on is whenever I learned about what they do, I'm like, oh my god, I forgot that that was even a problem I used to deal with, and this is cool. So having someone to like deal with all that terribleness so that you can focus on making revenue and keep building relationships, and also with your carriers, giving them a solution quickly so that they're not frustrated with you and you don't have bad relationship there and stuff like that. As you know, at BCS and being part of that network, is we're all about relationships here. So any type of software out there or whatever that can help with that is always great.